Hello and welcome, dear friends. In this video we are going to watch some heartfelt moment as Coach Prime Dion Sanders' kids Shedeur Sanders and Shilo Sanders' heartwarming moment with their fans at Truck Wrench grand opening party. But before watching the video, please like and subscribe the channel and help me to get 5,000 subscribers.
They told me girls that money be every time got good looking stuff on my neck. Beats on the elevator, we see the taste that's devastating. You do it, man. You know we use trash. That's what these days that ain't feel.
I'm sure I keep up. Yeah. Shut
My bad. Yeah, that's it.
It's on fire, it's like a house. Every time I get sick, I don't know how I hold it. It's on fire, it's like a fire. I get so shit that you nigga. I'm gonna say a word, you know, I just turn. Bitch, I'm out this bird, yeah, nigga, I'm this bird.
Thanks for watching, dear friends. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for more reactions, news, stories, and headlines.